So for the left bank, you want to start here on this top one right here, and then you want to alternate to that one, then this one, then this one, that one, that one, that one, and then that one. So we'll do that. That's 38.5 right there. Next one would be back here. There's another one. Bank 3 right here. 38.5. This one. There's that one. That one. This one. This one. And lastly, this one. Guess I forgot to hand tighten this one. All right, now I'm going to work on this one. This one you want to start at this side. Then this one. 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 Oh, dang it. Then this one. And lastly, this one. All right. Then after you do that first set, you want to do it again to a 61 pound. So let's go ahead and tighten you up to 61. Right there. And you want to do that same order again. I just did alternate instead of doing one hit specifically. I wanted to let that one sit a little bit so I could let this one sit. And then I'm just going to do it again. Same order though. You want to start here, then here, then here, then here. Then here, 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 and then there. All right. Sorry I didn't get to really do much for video on this right side. I had to let the GoPro cool down a little bit, but the way you want to tighten it to your 68.5 or 61.5 correction would be this one right here, then this one, then this one, then this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now on the third step, this step is pretty crucial. You want to actually end up loosening all of the head bolts back to 0. And the way that you want to do those in order is you want to start with the very back over here, then you want to work your way over to this one. So we'll do that. That's nice and loose. That's nice and loose. Your next one that you want to do is this one. Once you do that one, you want to do this one back here. That one's nice and loose. Then you want to do this one. There's a falling. Good damage. Once you remove that one, you want to remove this one. Once you remove that one, this one. And lastly, this one. And that's that side. Let that sit for a second, and then we'll start on this side. This side, you want to start with this one. Then you want to do this back one. Then work your way up to this one. Then this one. Whew. It's getting hot, hands are sweaty, and I can't grip the ratchet. That one's good. Next, you want to do this one. Then this one. Then this one. And lastly, this one. That's how you loosen up that. And you're on step number 4. And step number 4, you want to tighten them all again to 38.5 pounds. And you want to do the same order that you did each head. And then in step 5, you want to do the final step, which would be 76 pounds. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and let the GoPro cool down a little bit, and I'll be back with you guys. Alright, and we're on the last step, and the last step is the tighten. Tighten them to 76 pounds. So let's go ahead and adjust the torque wrench to 76. What you want to do it, you want to start here. That's 76. You want to go there. That's 76. You want to come up here. 76, come down here. 76, want to come up here. 76, then you want to come down over to here. 76, up here. There, and lastly down here. And 76. On this side, you want to start here. Then you want to move over to here. 76, down here. 76, you want to come up here. There. Next you want to come down to here. 76, and you want to come over here. 76, down below. 76, and lastly you want to come up to here. There you go. Torque to spec.